Hi, my name is Sammy Irwin, and I'm here at the wilderness of the High Plains Retreat Center. And I'm going to introduce you to some wild animals, wild snakes. This is the vicious Bella, Esther, and Lila. This is a 16-foot beast. When you come across these animals at fall retreat, use extreme caution. Only professionals can play with these animals. Be careful when walking from the dining halls to the cabin. These animals will attack you. They're vicious. Shh. Looky here. We have a crocodile. Look at this beauty. It's a modern-day dinosaur. I'm gonna touch it. It's called here to relocate this. Watch out for crocodiles at the creek at the High Plains Retreat Center. Look at this beauty.
Sammy, talk.
Say it again. This bloke here is the elusive silverback gorilla. It's a rare sighting here at the High Plains. But if you're lucky, you might run into it. Hi! This block here is the South Plains. Block here is that block?
Bloke.
Bloke.
It's so wet.